Next shirt. Been soaking in our soda ash for a good 30 minutes, maybe a little longer. Time to twist and dye.
This is a large.
A large. Okay. Nice large shirt. What pattern are we gonna do on this one there?
We're gonna do a spiral.
Oh, another spiral. Don't worry, people. We're gonna do more pleated and some others when we do our big session. These are just two quick shirts that we're doing real fast.
Before we go to our daytime gig.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another peace sign soon. I just need to be able to sit down and have more time than I do today.
Yeah.
But we did at least want to make a couple shirts.
Just get something out there, you know? Got that spiral. The tie-in part is here to come. We only use the rubber bands because it's so much quicker. We do sometimes tie the shirts with string, with yarn, but these we're gonna do with good old rubber bands. Just because it's fast and quick and easy.
Yeah. I admire people that have the patience to use string every time. But I guess you get quicker at it the more you do it.
Yeah, it's great for the intricate stuff, but when you're just trying to do like a basic spiral pattern like this, bands really are good enough and so much easier. Especially for people trying to start out doing this, bands are the way to go.
Pick the colors.
Oh yeah, color selection time. We got quite a few options in here, not a whole lot, but a little bit. Gonna go with the hot pink, the lime pop. Ooh, the lime pop definitely pops.
I need the lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. I think it's inside. We'll grab it.
Okay.
The orange sorbet. Is that not the lemon yellow right there? What yellow
No,
is that?
that's golden yellow.
Golden yellow, okay. Let's look inside though. And some cayman.
I don't know if I have enough lavender to do this.
Maybe even a little lavender. Just a sprinkle of lavender.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deep yellow.
Sounds good.
I mean, whatever it is.
To the dye rack we go.
Okay.
Alrighty. Back out in the heat, folks. Try to keep the camera cool long enough to get this done. That's gonna be a pretty one, isn't it? Well,
I think they're all pretty.
they're all pretty, but a very vibrant one, so to speak. Very colorful. Ooh, look at that sorbet. Orange sorbet. Very beautiful.
That's deep orange.
Oh, deep orange. I'm sorry, folks. Screwing up again. Why don't you tell us what colors you're using, babe? Lemon yellow, huh?
Lemon yellow. Ooh.
It's got the tips clogged. Tips clogged.
No, it needs to have a tip made.
Oh.
You need to clip it off.
Hold on real quick. Well, okay, we got the yellow clipped. Back at it. Got got new bottles, as you can see, folks.
This is the first time we've used our lemon yellow.
Our giant lemon yellow. It comes out quick too.
It does.
That's what we wanted though. That's for bulk dyeing.
Ooh, thank you, Jesus.
Lime, look at that lime pop, man. Ooh. That is a pretty color. Pretty color. Look at that. Get it all down in there good. Next we have the Cayman Isle.
And I know it's a little bit more blue, but that's just the name of it.
Yeah. In person, when it's washed out, it does look quite green at times. It just depends. But we understand. On camera, it looks 100% blue. And the lavender. The lavenders. I'm not even a big fan of like purple hues typically, but I love that lavender. That's a good color. Look at that thing, man. That is a colorful unit there, boys. Look at that, folks. Ain't that pretty? Time for the flip?
Yeah. I don't know.
Flop. I flip it to the flop. So hot out here, folks. You all have no idea. If only the camera could convey the heat and the humidity. It's so humid. Good old Alabama heat.
Okay.
Alrighty. So we got the. That's the hot pink.
Hot
Yep.
pink.
Hot pink. Oh yeah. Then we got the deep orange.
Orange.
Good old deep orange. Get it all in there good. Then we have the lemon yellow. Quick pouring lemon yellow. Look at that douse. Ooh. Color quick. Then we have the lime pop.
Yeah.
Oh
lime
yeah.
pop.
We love the lime pop. Good old lime pop. And then the Cayman Isle green. It looks blue on camera.
I mean, it is pretty.
It's kind of blue. It's bluish. It's the good old classic blue-green debate. Definitely looks blue when you pour it.
I don't think I got really in the fold to this one.
Oh, gotta get in them folds, you know. That's important. Always make sure to get in the folds, people. And then the lavender. Yeah, look at that. Man, that looks good. That came out really good, babe. Aren't you happy with that one?
Absolutely.
Me too. Good, nice morning tie-dye for the peoples. And we're still gonna do a full session this weekend, of course, with multiple shirts, but we figure these two will hold y'all off till the weekend. We're very happy and excited about the recent, you know, reach that we've had. We never expected more than, I'd say, a few hundred people to see these videos. So knowing that 250,000 people watched us dye a shirt is just insane. It really is. We're truly humbled by it. But yeah, alrighty folks, we're sweating to death out here, so we're getting inside. Y'all have...
Take it over to the thing.
Oh yeah, we gotta take it to the drying rack. We'll carry it over there. Lock. And that's its new home for the next 23 hours, so. Alrighty folks. Stay tuned and watch out tomorrow where we're gonna rinse these puppies out. Alrighty, y'all have a wonderful day.